buhay na panandalian, tumakas ng madalian, huwag ka tumihis sa daan. Sumalangin ka, hindi makakawala, pero kahit na sige lang. Nakaharap sa salamin, bigang-biga at bitin na bitin, hunghaw, sarili ay sagipin. Lumiliyap ang lalamunan, kabugang kalawakan, maligayang kaarawan. Magkamali sa udyok ng sandali, o magtitimpi, sige lang. Sige, 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 sige lang. Sige, 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 sige lang. Sumalangin ka, hindi makakawala, pero kahit na sige lang. Nakatayo sa may daan, naghihintay ng mapakailanman, Diyos lang ang may kapatawaran. Kung magkamali sa udyok ng sandali, o magtitim, sige lang. Sige, 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 sige lang. 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 Hello, good evening. Bukidnon. Kumusta kayong lahat? Malay-balay? Malay-balay? Tama ba? I can't recall if I already played Bukidnon. Anyone here remember if I played Bukidnon na? And in any case, I'm so glad to be here. To play for this amazing crowd in this amazing city. It's really beautiful, and I hope you enjoy the show. Of course, I'm touring the Method Adapter album, which was released last November 2025. It's been almost a year now, and it has gotten a lot of great feedback from the fans, from new fans. And I'm so proud of this album, and I can't wait to play the songs for you. And of course, some classics. If you want to hear those also, maybe. I'm not promising anything, but kung mabait kayo, maybe I'll play some classics. Okay.